Hey guys, welcome back. This is your host Phil from underKG.com, and what we have here is a new flagship from LG. It's called the G7 ThinQ. The ThinQ part is where LG has their AI-centric strategy. On the mobile phones, they started out with the V30s ThinQ. If you look at the home appliances, they have a whole bunch of them. Those AI-connected IoT kind of things. Anyway, let's get started with the design. On the front facade, you're going to find a notched display. So 6.1 inches of an MLCD Plus with the QHD Plus resolution. Of course, just like the Huawei's P20 series, you can hide the notched parts, but keep in mind that this is an LCD device, not an OLED one, so the black painted parts are not exactly going to be as nearly perfect as on the AMOLED devices. On the right hand side, you're going to find the power key. Yes, the power key on an LG phone, because the fingerprint reader on the back is not integrated with the power key anymore. And moving on to the left side, you have the volume rocker along with the assistant key. This is just like the Bixby button on the Galaxy S8, 9 or the Galaxy Note series. By pressing that, you are going to call out the Google Assistant. On the bottom, you'll find the USB Type-C port, mono speaker, microphone, and the 3.5mm headphone jack. And most importantly, on the back, you'll find the dual cameras. Of course, the dual cameras. 16 megapixels of them, LED flash, and the laser autofocus sensor window. Below that is the fingerprint reader. Again, this is not a power key. This is just simply a fingerprint reader, just like the other manufacturers. LG logo, and this is made out of glass and thus support the wireless charging. System-wise, it's got Snapdragon 845 octa-core processor, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of storage, which is expandable through the microSD card slot right there. It runs Android Oreo and comes with 3000 mAh of built-in battery. There's been worries about the quality of the display, especially since it's an MLCD Plus with the RGBW layout, but at the first glance, it looks pretty nice. And since it's an LG, they focus on the audio a lot. They have the equalizer, just like they used to, and the DTS:X 3D surround that you can set between wide, front, or side to side. And there's a boombox mode that's going to enhance the bass quality of the speaker on the bottom. And of course, there's a hi-fi quad DAC along with the sound preset, digital filter, and the audio balance between left and right. So that was a very quick hands-on on the LG's new flagship, G7 ThinQ. It should be available globally very soon or later in some regions. Anyway, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. You can always meet us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. We'll see you guys later. Ciao.